guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Also, na day fine. Hope you people are doing well. Hope you people are doing well. Greet everybody. Sorry, I just get what I did do for years. Sorry, my people. Thank you for being here. God bless you. As you come, help me to share. May we just talk about this our sister Omorovibiye. You understand? I'll play. No, say I think last week where when I do video. When I do video, say they don't finally settle the case, no? Everybody was like, oh, everything don't do okay, you know? But me, they surprised now, say, I they see, I'll still play for now, Mona see. Yeah, I'll play audio for now. I they see now, say she no agree again. Now don't still see her for me when this thing. I want to just drop my little opinion, you understand? Everybody get your opinion. When I see this video last week, I say, I thank God, everything don't do okay. Finally, I think they can't leave. They say me don't reach, not pay how much. I don't remember again whether not 30-something thousand or be 50-something or I don't know. But it's there for me when I talk where everybody say, okay, the thing don't do well. Help me to share. Thank you for being here. When I know with this life, in a way I will have equate the you way. I not come here, can't join any one of them, but I come here because of waiting me see yesterday. I think yesterday they played the song. Me I fair play on phone now before I go they talk to now. Because you know say that don't reach ni many women where don't spend money for that don't reach. Not be only a mommy boom. There many, not be saying only one person, Not be saying only one person. With the young for inside social media. One see there where they say this don't reach it, marry. Yeah, what I we go your own, but as we they talk to, as we they tell us, as we they talk, so they say the girl there for Atina Graz, Austria. He there for where they, you know, Kenyana, illegal there. Say they the house for there. That girl now, that one just the walk. Oh, we go gear a Dorichi. Wetin me come here, can't tell this Omorovibiye where she not know what she needs because I will talk and say she not know what she needs. You spend money for man because of say the man say go marry you, You spend heaven and earth according to you. Una do business together. The man still they do name yahoo, but before you first tell us say no they work. Okay, good and fine. They can carry this matter, go person where they very important for Bini. They carry and go. Even they even use that say, we not even know anything, not even know the time when I start, the time when I end. They use everything, tie the man hands, tie the body, say you must talk to your boy because of say now your godson. You understand? They use the man, they take the shout for social media. Good and fine. They carry this matter, go give them. Important person for Bini may talk put. They say you dey lie on the time when they talk because I don't know what they use for them. You know, say some of our people, Dorish and one man way fed whether it's still there, I don't know where they to know that time. That they hear in name because of you know our people, then they like me, then they use the tail they sing, then they use the tail they sing. Our guys I must go there, I must go there. I don't know what they use for them. Only God now I know. I don't know. They carry this matter, go meet important person for Benin, make talk put, because they don't talk. This one say no, this one say this one say this one say this one. You know? They carry and go there. Women when even talk and say the time when they even they talk this when they want go settle the issue, the girl they on live video. If they listen to them, they tell them what she spend, then they write everything down. After everything, then the girl decide, say, okay, see where you say you spend the money, the time where you buy the land, because we not call no buy the land. But according to Wetin with the year, the land name now don't reach in a day, not be the girl, the name they there. Okay, they can't settle everything, say, okay, see the money where don't reach, you go pay this girl. Entry, I say entry, more than over entry. I don't speak Italian for them. Now till December. You understand? The girl can't agree. Okay, when she agree now, they can't say, okay, they can't come up for the map place. This important map, this our a power there for the way not even know waiting happen between them. And I know say when people they say, okay, make peace reign, may everybody there their own, may we do one like this. They say this girl can't agree. After when she can't agree, finish. Una know if you get friends, if you get people where they tell you. Since they don't know, say the house, whether na don't reach get town, whether na mom get town, I don't know. But na person will get land, na he get house. So me I say don't reach. Since they don't know, say the estimate of that house is I think 100 million. They say the house na what? This girl can't go back. Now they don't talk to her and everything don't they okay? Oh, he say he agree about the money. No, because I now make me talk say she don't know what she need. When you dey live that they talk. Why you not tell they say, okay, the time I spend this money, make not the day at that time. Something never did at that time. Since now, they say, may give me this money, I be more tell them, may double for me, or may give me times 3. Umunuma goyata. You know, see man talking. You say, okay, may they give her like that. We now see what our people they do. Because if they tell now something, because all this shame of a thing where they talk so. Now women ain't concerned. Now women ain't they do one. You go say how much they want go give you for fabric and not go. See that for us. I go they give you. We they hear many things that time. I think they are no bothered be no running and they go say I go your kukuma sit down. They give me the money. Now all these things because me I know they too much they blame that male like that so. I know they too much they blame them because nobody they will put sugar for him at all to last now our women I cause shame for everything. Yeah, you go ya be love ne. When they don't use money to play love, say the thing not can go well, they'll come the shout. You gonna be a fear gamble or you say where it be me or where it be. The answer is no. You gonna yak be love, Giasi. You understand? Yeah, yak be love, ne where something called Ben, they'll come the shout. Hey, he say go marry me, then make me the spender. Who were men in Najigo Yawo or not spend day? Women in Najigo Yawo, no matter say they use juju, but use your brain, you not even get brain. You not even sit down, think and say, if this man not come marry me tomorrow, as I go do, he gonna go and see. Or who wear of very yoni, if the thing go the sweet to now. If then they tell you now, go say, no, I'm not talking like that. He say, go marry me. Man, we never even put ring for your hand. You never married, you never even know anybody for your family. Who wa cook, you go wa cook your bo. If they where I will see you, but I will see you the bad because was them your bo. Oma negizem your board the bonwamu then on your canal but because once they just the money before you go ask or gear before you go talk and don't give them. The carry matter go give person where they important. Don't be saying I pay that man. I am an back here the do. The carry matter go there. You agree, you can't go back. You say you don't agree again. Maybe they can't give you one and wait me a plan for now because me this life you go now your back can see no. But don't reach your but Omorovibiye una too greedy. Don't reach your problem never finish for social media. You understand? Because women they they and now son are not they marry again. That be the worst part. Because all these people, like say they married then they born one. Yeah, soladian. But all these men, they not agree make them born for them. You go must find excuse say your character not good. And I saw this thing can't happen. Now saw this one can't happen. Me I play am wild down a message you know ikbege or read also. And a power, me I quickly thought this one, a power with the house, God will bless you because you really stand as a father, but not let anybody use you. Because the time when they play the game, you're not dead there. The time when they play the game, you're not dead there. As far as say you don't carry the matter, go give important person. The girl don't agree, say okay, yeah, kwejo. Okay, can you win kwejo pa? You forget about when not to boy ya see or sado to boy ya see. Because this case, if they talk say they want carry and go court, what if they carry go court? Until say court, you can anaya back here, no say now I can't give her. Now you can't do this one. They don't get time for that nonsense. If you not get anything, if you not get proof, not just go Nigeria court, or even Nigeria abroad for you, the same thing. Do me prove that they go wait till they just tell you for instance and say okay, as far as you don't agree, just take her and keep quiet. You understand? Why you very back here a live video? That one go say okay, we don't settle. Tomorrow they come and you must bring her. E shentro, e pa igati e bonabe shentro. Ani huogi ma o si shentro ne ya na gba. Ne shentro na gba ya. Ama gbe ma tonjinya bo. Don't be say they carry something, they come knock her for the answer. That money more free, bring and come. If they don't love, they're not the here again. In home. And you me ne to ade. I want more be na good one, they're not the here. That's the way name them. When you this girl go talk saying my hair don't reach it, then you're gonna carry don't reach. Or my kind ba woman, ya no me on go no. The answer is no, she don't fair no. But I'm listening. Well done, me. This one now, ume waga we no de.
Why ezona buvedero. Percentage ogiye.
I don't understand. If you not listen where I put her again, or what percentage of here, you understand? Because they don't tell this guy say no agree, no agree. Then again, nani ane no more Virginia. Ozuwa, then on Azuwa, no say na wet Ozuwa. Because on tia temene here. We can na abuezo, umami nu yata we wala wo bene me na Virginia nia. Ekbes meti ya we 5,000. Again na do again the money never reach like that. Wakame we no double you go ni me or no ye me 3 times. Man that is all double you go ni ha. Or ye me ni me can no go me ya we mi agbon. Ona kwejo. Once you don't agree, you don't agree. If you say not they take again, don't do what you want to do. That's what they will tell you. Because that house now, you say may give you the house. As he want to give you the house. You even confirm us. I mean, don't understand though. You know don't reach 2012. I not understand that be 2014. Don't reach him or turning 2012. Who can buy the land? I don't understand the all ye piri piri. When I listen. Person did there where they tell now. They will say no agree, oh, draw, my sister. This will agree, then just carry. At all, na bad.
Rana ni sendi kwena.
Then you gonna last.
Papa, why ezona buvedero. Percentage ogiye.
You na here percentage of me. I'm na ruwe bani. Aye. Some people.
Anywhere. Aviola la wepo. Ana werum doni. Awege ego ni mune ni yawe. Epa, wae matana. Owe no chie. Epa, ene irishi. Standing in me. It is standing in this.
Okay.
If I don't beg a penny sending a penny may collect you in a torishi.
That is a bank statement. You understand? A bank statement. When you go ya la can't there. Or we get rich guy no. Because the rich guy away me there. No. I mean near only there we tenant. So you go near that me on a la can't Omorovibiye. Both the women ain't you no dead ya ten na ve dead your the near her nezo. Or I may one with bezonigi. I will take care of where the bay kumerioni. You go to her. Why can you move my old hand on ya backy ye? Oh, the bawa haya backy ye.
A yauni, a yaw, win a yaw. No. Anywhere, here collect you. 30%. I will go now your account. I was not collecting any percent. You go now. Which you're not deceiving me, maybe aware a business in that or a business in your.
Why agree? Oma gba we business. Agba be gaigo, abi. Omorovibiye tai we iya we na gba we. That is iya na gba we business ijo wa na demi mu jo wa. Wa do wa work bari awo no na Omorovibiye. We ha me don reach it because when we ya tai na we oga we business. Oge jawu. The tomato we wa work gba we. We understand. Uma gu wa work gba we o because do wa work gba we ke no be ari o we no. Sisi wa gba wo no na yoga wo no na account wo ga ala dem no hand enu eba. It's like oma we handle account me yeti ha me okay wa handle account me o bet wa ga re 5% die me o wa ga re egbo na me o to sisu mata me Omorovibiye or withdraw wa re ne. You understand? Emi no magbata wa gba o only different than emi no wa magbata to wa help eri e account we.
Yaoni. E pa iko na ya nimega kunya collect. E hoste oge no bo. Ina we agwe pego wa everything. Ina we support no ya be hoste. E hoste ni me matani how.
Hi Jesus.
Baba aketa we eri hoste di me. Hoste di me mini we no ya mujame we. Ogure buwan ogure iya roof ifese wane iregi ohun be ya metene eyata eni ya fefe boy oyere luime and everything no ya win ame iri ya sayo ne iri ya pay ne. Because Benny Igona ya fefe ni me ga withdraw ni eva account be no pawo ga withdraw ne udai mai ga rigo ya account me ina the account na imari go yo account no pawe ga rigo ji abi gona ya ni me ga ri ni ye ni me ga guye collect no ga ya me ya collect before later ke do we e for one e ya hin epa how come na me we ori ye na mema e show ri mero mema tamania we show ri me no ke ke ri ni me we go na ero but ere me yo for ne pe me e ti imarama my own money and I will share the share ni me yo for ne pe me
Omorovibiye one time what to our business ikugbe a business waga ukugbe I no understand ima understand the girl na eni okpa ni ya ye play or where business in yaga ukugbe the ni na we ni ya tie you know because in ha we marriage since or that thing ya no ya biene enye na azabi go ni ya ijebani after ni ya we business o na ya we business o ni ya ri ebie kare we go ni ya mi ye na dori e we 32,000 na ri na ya we business ikugbe I don't understand oma eme soro no dweki igoni oga mu go re ari eki oji du igoni mu oyezin egbe okege ni na awe ni ya tie na because iye do asie me na do atan ege nu na aro we ege ni na atemo ekesi na wo doge pani be do be bani wazo me na ata de ni ya tie na because o me ye phone this Omorovibiye after igba iba na ya is one on na ne o be mo be ade eri yen de jere o to ni no de ni yen ko wa egbe ami egbe on this girl na o ma me no need
ala kama we she baba akebo yena waritawo in honjo ta dore ala kantina ni abi gona uwe analyst sedigo na ya gbemebe so I ke do that we eri eru da me bi we ogeru eru da me bi we odare to ma me we ni odare to wa me we aya no la we bu ado we run doni we ege ame go ni mune papa ole toni o
mi da sa yan gugu na
o pa le toni o iti e bojo do musa oya we se o to mo papa hello papa papa eriji awe ye ni the percentage o yin ba we eriji mu o ste o ge latia no hiwe abi go ya ni ga collect ne ni me collect ne o hiwe eriji hi o ste o ge o di percentage o ge o ri me de na mana boye ni veri ori e ya gba because
they know my people omo mi je na enye me eminiya ta na understand iye ana eni opa ni when it time again na who may prove my sister who may prove ima heti we igo na ya do ekinegbe na gbe beji awon na after we ikwele nwa ya time ya si eseke na ose like oh no now this is boyfriend and girlfriend wa boyfriend egbe just or no oga itu wa do ekinegbe we wa ma friend egbe ezona o wa ye huere ba ata this is boyfriend and girlfriend because we are see any we eri ni dono na eri ni de no pa o wo pa ye ga friend ni meka ye tasin o wo pa benu we wa mi ekere ni ahari enu na o ma ewe no wa time nu yo be va because we agree ne get to my agree that to have me we when you tense enu or ni ari enu ni tense to 3 because he gonna adem again na ina ga say o ma to ni wa temi emi o be te no pa o agree jo abi we ma agree that ni aga ata eni okay ni awe gbe bu ne pa ni an hotel do no redo ka me wo ma agree o wo no wa ya we me no wa we eze you why cause oye na mi wo we o wa do ki negbe a boyfriend and girlfriend wa o negbe iya we ate wa mu gbo kamana gi mu aka no gbo eri ebegi o ma o ma e o bia na wi yan mare wo mana gi mare we una zigo ye ba jo anjo o ni yere zenu we jo anjo o because all these things no do una o do igbe so wa ro no zigo no kwo ona je school ni ze do me cause why gwi because na ti azebo ona okwo ni yo train no kwo na o je university o ladian ogbo wari ori eni again na jo ori moto yo bo e de ari e de ge ni winye gi yon me e va ehun e va ehun o bia ni e ko mi ne o we mi ne gbiyen gwa lo yen mi yen ya egbe lo be to ri ku aro be ri o wa isi bia ni wa si yan bolua e ma ta we na ha me ta ogbeso why many men no zigo ni no wa train do ku no gele zigo no ku igo ede we wa giku ai ho munu yan beto wa se gbuwa edi de magine ige magu wa ke do calculate igo figbo wa calculate ige no pa calculate wa we na dori enu wa ege nu we na wa lo komimi na we ori o ma jo ni re ege ya stress no be ya lo ye ku we be nu we ya lo ye ke since gani wa teme na we gi ni go no ni ahari enu o ha be nu wa agree ni good and fine e we gbe muere because ana dossier me na go ke gado mo ari ekoti aseba ni ye ka no we do ma ne ni erebe ama wa no amake o ma no rigo de na ya boy o ma e do ma no nyato we mi ebere ladie e ma teta ma we because ya we ni woro because oya na ke tai we o ma no nyato o nyagwa you understand again no e ke no he ke no na gwa o ma gwa me ba ni igo na wa eri ye mebere yan na ese na ya we mi rokpa ege ni ni a igo be different ege na ni emi ga ne o ma to ni wo amogwa ogwa ni yedo igo igwi ku owe ya boy ma be ho ojine eti de be don richi because no se na wala dian we nu collect igo na nu gba mesa won you understand wa who collect who wa lose me ya to z not the truth who wa lose me ya because the Kenyan has say e richi ari yen si ari cut no do hin wa with force must hin unless abi ko ni pa yan e very ne he cause abi ko ni pa no wa ya zigo jeva a be ho ban you understand o se na do land yan wo mo je yan ari go na no collect no forget who wa e go okay ija play love e matter ma we wa ni 100 million no riye kwere ri oni obi da sa me ke no gwa se ban he we gi temi rokba o ma kan because e ganu wa na do e mare ba ni
torishi kepe hosteni. Wawene torishi mwe hosteni no mwehi.
Oh yeah, dorishi ne. Oh yeah, dorishi ne. Okay, be hosteni. Okay.
Musa. So wawe pesente. Wawene torishi hiyo hosteni. Ori pesente zoge ori yeme. Baba, domo daddy, domo sa, go daddy, rego sa domo. Daddy la wuwu, ide kweshi, daddy la owani, oworen, daddy la wuwu, ide kweshi, daddy la o. Daddy we are oni mi aragbona, daddy, owani, oworen, namu wa meme, daddy la wuwu, ogunme kamirishi wenu mu wa meme. Wani ogurenu e ogerishi daddy wani na fere iwa minuhu iwa gu erish na mi wani
onwe da mana mo wani ni ye minuhu nwe abe ene na ni eta na ge na oye na mi ewe because oye na mi ewe on something why gwe ori me ya tell me o ma minuhu nwe kele ni ade o we wo vi da osa saga ni ati egbe oze saga egbe awo ewe. You understand? Oze saga yo make no saga so ewe because ogele mundiano as a father. This why amwe any area ke no heke na amwe area. Who agree jo? You take it and go. Anyway, we gbedo a disturb over das. Only that's how we men they top pay ne as a lawyer go my because they to pay ne as a lawyer defend the way or make no defend the way say. Oh yeah, we emi soro ne na defend oma. Emi na ni ahewe worry. Osi anaje court bani aje court o me no me win no me na win because osi eni me na do tamo we na we since ya tama we be na who agree ye the money take it and go se me ya your boss alobwa o wani bani ya me munu because nya we agbona e ma na va igo na ni ma wa eri no ne mi ugo mo story e me agbona ma na va e ma be si aji nobody no mo ari yin mi then we okay do take plan eji because when you now you young then face your life goes on. Life goes on. Next time, who wise up? Oh, yeah. No, we be na self. What is where I what are you who we? Bon zigo ne ne yemane. O ya ri who we bien ne. O who we do bien ne. Emi ya no we ze yemane. O be do ago who ni. Now, o be do ago you where go who ni. But what ze yemane? Why wise? Why think? Ade dio sisi you won where wa bo wa na gbeni we joge ne nemi no o una ke business ye do onu ke business wa ho iwo no pia wa ho ne wa do atogbo we na ge imoti gedu
daddy iwa minuhu iwa wu daddy la wu la itikweje no nyere me so patiga yenyajo
munu e mo vije sorry emunwe igo honore ba ni ope kenye ya hin eya ede ni adoru le landia because we are me sure we we neba egba eso eku egiyan landia o egba eso eku agiyan landia we eri yen rezigo na erichi but abigo no gwaze ni yan fa o wa ya egbe love ne eri ne togi me because igo na ya egbe love e ga calculate e ga o because nya le ari enu we kere eri de magi eri duve eri de nokpa eri we nokpa eri ha sigo gwa neni go bugbe mo bu wa ya ari eye bank iso eta wo bugbe o gwa ni nwe enwe zeneze na ero o me kono bi da sa tebe na say forget because yama force we no agree with the ni aga atama we ni I believe yama force we because e ma tama we ni we kwebe ri oni mo gbina yo wani no mo wani no we cause we better we we mazigo ne sebe ri oni no finish o wani o wana wa finish na ya do munu we owo wa we business 32,000 okay business agba share a business wa ya o na sister collect me winya ari enu then you go move on with your life eja ojo iga mada no vero wani okpe kenye no okpa ni ale ti amada ni awo rostra na oni ya wete cause we dance ga tare ngeni oni ya wete omugo jo won ya wa to ri ye man but oni ye deke no na ye we mi ati e ba ni so my sister collect the one way ni ya wari enu eni Then you move on with your life. We are young. Walok biane. I hope biana henie. I hope biana my clean for na. No kwale le here because Obama ya dole me maji. Why you ga mo biana na way I ria henia be ka. Ria henia udo. Oni wa on waru lele. Waru lela vere. No na me we ogu wa mi ya yin. O aga gwale na ka pe ne ni adology ne. Eyan igbo wa ko ya me wa do aso perere. When matter na many meta na ni all the many people. E me so ata we dorishi mo mo gwa ni ne eni dorishi oro. Wa me ka ho. Don lo haya for say no mo gwa ne. Eni no ge awu, u pa ya deve. Ora eni o mo bi joro ni a. Awe a dorishi oko na mi eni oro. You know? Eni okbia ni ya woro, abia eni oro. The answer is eni okbia ni eni dorishi ya woro wa ni. And o mo bi de ma zero na why I finish o wa ni. We understand. So when you atama when you there yoni, then I yaw then yaw then wa ya buezona or dejo bet wala wo wa ha man no rigo na double eri me enya ya we mi enya na wa foye hege unwe wa bi go nu ize edo ya mo wa edo ya we no pa abi go no gari ya banki we ni my sister I wa mo gba we business we to ga we ne internet no wa we gba one different. Any aga atare deli oni ebe ya mo be ru ya zigo one because e ma o tamu we very yana but yana mia we any woro wani you understand then ni woro na wetin e see there it's a different case unu no ma me o ma ha ya gwa o me ke no wi da sa ata say go forget ayo ma ya gba ki ye yo opi oba anwan because when ye ya gwa ban when o ya gwa ban ya wa mana mo wani ye ya mi nu we my sister was mana mi na ye no kwa na aka we before. Okay, ban hand on me. Okay, we hana we ami na nya watule. Nya wari osisi je dorishi o ya gege mo wani ne. No. Wo momo. We nuga awu. We nuga awu. So don't we am we no ni e panita no redo. We no ta we ni ya ri go ni nu. O na agree very on since we agree ne. When ya gbon ya gwale lawyer bi me den ni nese. Or igbon because all sign anything can happen. You understand? Or tick by ban so bet one ben a benny gwe a boy banny agony. A lawyer a body no anywhere or me go very and so a mass. A bear go so no make an go when because I buy getting down soon ban ya way. A don't reach via or my your ego where a baby bani. Umian one daji. Remember beg or my people, my man and my man beg because care almost so more one in mune donishi mune. Why have you nobody no for say no mune? Many are still call me. Why ni game no igame no revani? And the donishi jigia ya one on our knock, but my oban way o say revani. Yata will not hear o say because he and the calculator warm a 6 flat on me o stay. So when almost more one in here. My sister, I beg, find another thing. Gwalemiome no Umae biania, ya gwalokbia, we just all gile marewe, and no abezigo now, akwa we do aso, no settle down. Jenikba, ame wuja degbe. You understand? Igo nikba, why won't be a very only, uja degbe. O wana me muno mania, asilinia olele ya hiane, we bona etono, you what of evani. Salobuwa. When in there ujevani, we make we go we go no orient no self na do me woman me ja we go yari no man na me na ja. I mean na igujine na imwe bojine because we am am on social media asie bogedian se oga ime no 5 kobo me irie orie me mo mama me ja we ya jane ave ma ne ni atie merie bego. Emina zero so hone o ma babele ya hone. Ido we ido mudia ido ri ye yawo igo na ye ja no ma sefi wa ye lue ya ye mi le gba ma we go ne na taloji o ma babe guanjo esu guanjo ebo ya fefe no rote do ya lawe ido ri ye yawo o bi o kan ye hin o ma bie o ma ho o ma mo do o ga mo we me gbo ko igo ni igwe no wa ja ni ma bi then you face your life uswan again. Dime ya tell me men because men so yan ka bo love you go say life yan be ni menje I ma love you go at all be oni awa my life is number 1 because yan wu no ra gbon or hun igo hun no ra gbon hun igo we mi re so ba ni ya iguye ni go ne no pa igo ni e ko le ri ese ro pa ri we huh. So my brothers and sisters, em no ga atanihi. Well, man, I'm more ni ye wa. Wo bi da sa tama because of da sa mare go na gbe ni love. O mare are ba ne go na mu go ne. Just when ye wa mu dia say father, emi no seti wo ha be seti wo. O man na be seti le wu, e be weti we anything. O talent ta o ze talent be social media o we. Understand? Eti for say, eti where you must give and that house, you must do this one. No. Don't wait next time. Many women wa me wen. Wa me nwa okpia no ma ebiena o me go na zene igo me nota igo na yari na ono pa he nota wa gba asi go wa ofo owo wa mu go rere udo mu no kpia e de gari o ta do ha we siso magiri ene ni ha igo ni wa mu no eni do mure wa okpia ne rere salon ja mo si awon mu yari cut na ya ta go do ni. I greet you sans. I want to see your cut. I say cut why sebani ya we he wa dota na ena do mu go ne boyfriend that here is you why me no wa ya ready ya mo wa we regbe because here ne gbe no nonsense ni here ne gbe here koso bia na me wo wa wo even marry na me we no wa me wa we ku gbe here settle ni our boyfriend and girlfriend they can here na kele sieze a boyfriend and girlfriend Ero de social media na dore na ahia do awere ni na la agwogo na ne pisi garo no. O bijene moje ne pisi aro ya na ha ma be oni gwe gigo na. Take care and move on with your life. Wa wo we move on. Wetin lose ni ya nothing. 5 kobo egiri enu e umi ro pa u. We da say me anything we will na the truth. Ene ke do ha ta be no wale time na the social media or the time we. Edu na me me so e do time moje ku e we no mo mo so mo enu. Oh, they va ouais. Dis on y est certain que c'est n'a rien d'orichi. Oh, c'est toi non comment wo ke gien yo non non. En y en a dossier ali que ne on veut épanage. Oh bien non ouais na do gwan jo bien na. O ke we gbe ya yo bien ya gba kiye ye. O ri ve ku eni a. O gwa ni o mo so mu nu e. Wo bien ni aza yo we. Epani no redo. Eza yo we. O ye guwa do kinyo we ge na. E kinyo we ge me ke emeti eji. Be ni me je agu me do ke no sense ni. U ka agree ne. When ya hama we be ke we kwe u were gba ade e magi kwejo and you go to her ya gwa le no ya mi o he na so they talk my own. So women be wise like you be lu wa mind na yigo yawo ki akanti ari eju we ari ejo ima wa ri jobo no bia o me jobo na ri no bia ijo be aha mo wa ijo be nenemi awa ha emu ne no wa wo ha mo wa no bia o kama we nya teni ni ha mo wa me by 1500 no ini go gigu we na o we kakaka gunye he wa ga me ha fine ya dori jobo no e o we de ne ni do mu me na vai o mai mo egbe o ye logo we. So my brothers and sisters, you wa dan you na we no I must bring it no wa do adan o mai me no need o we won na phone o we ri eri ya we gba we ni nemi wa ha me no me dori e she o yen ni. My sister, forget about share. One, forget about share. Again, any time where you must do it like that. When you are time where make sure one more one in emunwe. Then you met an annual theatre, and so that way, hey, Taverioni, or my dog. Now the truth as they talk. In your wa, in your bianio revani. In your even where you never yana. I actually calculate you on logo. Because I don't know now the fue. Na ya de nokba no send the girl no ya re ba ya calculate enya ita weta ya gbe love ekeni na wa blame me we wa ni hin be ni wa ta we ne 30,000 abi ne 1,000 han re nu o we o wa ge gbe da re yo because ese we low o ma to ni na ya tell me we. So I ran some sister me I just live una because some people yeah when me they feel we in the right ni he must to we very na very na any deji we command ya oh worry again ya tale ni I don't know sha we command ya e pa wa mana mo wa ni me ye wa mi no hu we they no can be that sabu we I will lost life we lost life we mata meta mo we this is Latin no ma say me but wa lost life we that means ma value life we you go we value because I'm my very on no value life no value you go say life okay ya raw all my be estate amewa mwe upa amewa ro wa reni ya wa ro ekwa Oh, you stay your life. Deme. Oh, you stay. Oh, you gba mesa won. Oh, we continue. To me, she use the money to play. Okay, you go to play love. You may have opportunity ni me na give me a boy. Your banner do guajo where get well any ana. What a wag ya oh you go zen bia. I all go egbe me, all egbe do me with egbe. Women when not aware to work about our business. Any another than the on with taji. Then the business in Allah where we concern. Then you up with taji. A can no home world day. Eh? Me she know the. Oh, yeah, ya back ye. She they waste their time. And the truth. This nourish. Okay, that means you need there. You must marry me. I will force someone marry you. I force someone marry you. If no man need the woman with life. And next time, okay, you must marry me. Now, equal mobile tie. Okay? You listen to what I'm on. Equal give my mona stop. You must marry me. Man must marry me. Why be on John no man? Why who said anything? Una go defend one marrow. No, why we frustrated severe yonia? Eh? Why we frustrated severe yonia? Where what come up there? May we go marry? Come marry me. Before came you be not how we are marrow who omobologo because in your feel when it be then a bring momo ye guya in where they are still young. They understand. But maniko once you don't reach 30, 70, 40 age you work and you must marry me and maybe we just do something together. Now be all this one. Now be all this one. Maybe they do something together. May una still wise. Okay, we want to do something together. Una never marry, una never born. Now can they do something together? The woman go draw unanya is a siwa bulwa. Because we kwa no nesi so hin defua. But I go be a defua, problem not dey. They say na man. I be behave like a man na. But I go a defua, I go not behave like a woman. I just be ani ya golele ya hin even na heti. I do not say this abroad. I we born an imagine. Igbe no si go no kwero. Oro o. Okboy ona nya beti yen gwan. Yen gwan. Abi wa me mi okbia na mi ewe wa ge o wa sister ge wa ri ero bia ni wa okbia gi ma wa kigo me ne bo be kigo o wa kigo wa ri okuo ni o ri ejo wa o we fu na eti okuo ni awo we yen gi gwa lo okbia ni gwan ogunu be go ko we nu o na we lele ya bet okbia yen cough wanna stop am me no ko wa hian I want go born I want go marry. And wa ha when they marry, why gwa lo mana miewu wa miewe wa wo gba moku wa wa gwa le ni a nu wa ye we ogbu ejo because omo mi je tita we me we don ri sha gbe ejo na ken ni we don ri shi abe set ogin ya ni na okay we wa believe we togele wa we say very oni you must marry me you must born for me. I bet my people make the park where all this having nonsense in now. If you a worima or see shentro de leya because he got done with us and got bonia. A pam about your bonia be ave yan you shentro now. If worima no jia ya we, if worima see shentro now while we may just. If worima see. Oh, why le look be wina where ya je egbe we ya wina odo ya ri go no odo ari ya ri ga no be don no is wo se o we no. Even no be do gwa li go be we bury we do gwa lo we do gbogi go do agin yan le mani. Many women they still there to till tomorrow. Yeah, ye gbe ya wina o bi aro wa. O bi anya ye so wa bi ni le no we even wina ni wo ga je ye. Oh no even wina ga je ye. Oh we na so e bi. We that your ibo o bi no love you we kwenu je gbe we ya wina. Do why? Why I feel where he love me now because I say not get money. Oh, me I not love you well. No. You know, me another my even look, I'm not touch you well. Don't say na love. Which kind of love? It be agboro. Oga mi okono na mi wo mi okono je egbe wina ni. No, you know they like can. Awa. And some of our women ya me be mo bo. E bi agboyan. We no kpo ni yan yeri. Me de tin ya ti e bo ni yan. E wina gbon e gin yan wina because yan won your kese. Why is he who one up behind why we can't give my money back? Can't give my money. We just be love. So mom, you just wise up. Okay, we ya me ekwene. Na so I dey talk my own. Me I stop am for here. Okay, we ya me ekwene. Wa hu nya we no wi ye kweje la ho odo kwe yo to e kan. No do all we do anje very oni. Sisi nya gwa jo ne. Wa hu gi kwejo de o say go. Ya we anything wa hu. We ma ko be tie boy ne ni go ne. U te ba yo ne. Egbigo ni egu we ko be ri ma we. Umwe bona jona mu gbejo. Abi okay dori she adori no don ne bo hen do lele. Wa use nwa, wa use bre onwa. Wa use if I wear you 5 kobo me dori she. Yirie or yere every ela wo bo umujanema. We are sister. So now so be my brothers and sisters. Me I live on. God bless you. I know why you man God will bless you. I really appreciate you now. Well. Now my small opinion now can't also somebody like me. And I'm here where I got him na dozigo no bia. Odo ka mi me we ni dogwe ya sigo ni go ni online voice mail ne. O no ze even na eti na you an your. Na so me I dey talk my you an your tired because oho we mi. Oho we mi. On your boy ya we mi awa mi no ko na your boy ya o. Do bia do marry we ti do marry we. Adokun owo wa ya. Enu we wa zigo no bia. Bia ni I decide we. A marriage here by force. Marriage is not by force. Even so no marry na we kwese gbe ai o ti mi ba ni awo idori shi woke I go marry you ogele we o marry ai o iri eso wa na zema treat to amodo adugo o zema treat enyo ha be le ladia abe me people me I live now me our people make them wise if they like yan wise if they not like it when ya ya amuno kpia yan we they say they want carry on social media na person we go talk about that yeye matter me tie ni ye you talk man we if na husband and wife have ya ho or boyfriend and girlfriend you do go where asi osa no ya kpo mekia o megwa si egbo ni osa na ya we business say na business na do I believe say na make people even they talk who say we yan we gba we business ikugbe on say ne man na gwanjo awu we ya ekpo mekia okay ni dogu we ya si egbego ni maybe na ya si egbo ni ye I'm not know maybe na ya draw egbego ni abi ko ri meso yan wa zuwa eso wo yan maybe na jigo yawo wa gwi o yan maybe na jigo yawo Thank you, my love. Bianca, God bless you. God bless you. Thank you for that. I really appreciate Where say? Ya me na jigo yawo Ya me na jigo yawo. O ma wa me 30,000 wa monokbia. Bank yan hwe yan gbe san ye kene ba ni anti ore bank. Ko oge yan gbe san jo. Before you marry man, slow the gbe we ma even though say you get money like that, you might marry until you go near your way not dump you where for. Some people that's why I get money, problem not there. That's why I get this one. I get to Ibo just they give me work to problem not there. Yeah, what I law me they need love what I catch you. Oh, we are not here born, you will get to task. Baby, we go marry. Problem not there, marriage where you go not do I want for. Oh yeah, Canada where my they just say you ma like ebe no jawo e go na ari go ni or not like Canada well again na ni am I like because when you say we wanna say you go find one way or another to throw away you. Some may be like that, not be all. Some be like that. And we may man ya in brain. They don't get. I live on my people. God bless everybody. One love, keep us together. Help me to share for others to learn. Wa Omorovibiye tama we not receiving igoni at all na it bad. Ora mo egbe le don rishi mo wa niyen. Always take time. The rishi emune because if we no zero ye yan ken yan bun. Yan evede. Don rishi owo we eru egbe o. Kabo ariri ko. E mana o hangijo. You understand? Kabo ariri yan. Kabo alu eboni yan. We are the beer. I dey wo you way and the truth. I dey wo way. Because yan we benu o we benu me o ma be ya be wo we. Wa we mi si da viere. O salobua o be we mi si da we. Be wa we mi dan da viere. O ma de day o be to we mi dan o me we da we. Because eni o we no re ni social media. Ne twin. Oga Amanda onire mani. Amanda we na Dorishi Amanda wo. Ore mi yan ti e le drat. Abi igo no ni ere la nu we. Ope kenye. ni go e no Omorovibiye na tutu ona we pen na yan wa igo no ni land ne dorishi mo yezikpo ba ele omudia o se na ha Omorovibiye na collect no na nu ve ewu ve mi ekere bo de to aja no ma uja no ma do uja no ma wo e no ayi we for where ha dinya ne we me no ya mi no na Wetin ya Vibie carry eboke do mu ne woto I wa temo mo giyan o ma no ya nwine oko no ya nwine fabrica on gbigo no no mu no pe ologo ni a abeg me people may I leave you. I greet you, Sas, Jessica. God bless everybody. As on take on one love, as on take comment. I really appreciate you, na bye bye, na ciao.